midterms namin, guys. So, binabasa ko lang yung comments niyo, guys. Don't worry. Okay, so okay lang. Dito lang ako. Hindi siya mahirap, guys. Ay, hindi siya mahirap. Hindi siya madali. Oh my God, ilang araw ko na itong pinag-iisipan. Kasi, analyzation siya above everything. Like, kailangan gets mo talaga yung mga theories and stuff. Sobrang hirap niya. Para na ako nag-aaral ng international studies. Ganun ang level B. Oh my God. Pero ang saya kasi, alam mo yun, parang hindi ko naman ito matututunan sa ibang subjects, diba? Yun. So, ayun. Ang mga tanong niya, like, how does this theory manifest itself in the recent actions of the Philippines in the international arena? Ganyan. So, kailangan updated ka talaga sa current events. So, guys, yon may campaign ngayon. Pero hindi ko alam kung pwede ko ilagay yung sticker. Anong virtual gift lights? Ano yun? Yung gas again, yung Super 50. So, yun na lang yung salihan natin. Yun. So, sorry. I have to submit this by 11:59, before 11:59. So, medyo nagpo-focus na ako. Medyo, after ko mag-lunch, sinimulan ko na to. Pero hindi dire-diretso kasi, nag-research din kasi ako. Siyempre kasi, hindi pwede yung salita lang tayo ng salita, tapos walang research, 'di ba? Oh, gusto ko sana yung baby come back. Kaso, parang, hirap eh. Ewan ko. What do you think? Parang hindi siya feasible. Like, feasible siya, pero like, I don't want naman to force you guys to shell so much money sa stickers. 'Di ba? Like, I don't want to pressure you guys that much. Konti lang. Konti lang. 'Di ba? So, yon. So, chill-chill lang talaga. Okay, so kung nakatingin ako sa monitor ko, sorry na agad kasi nagko-focus talaga ako dito, guys. Narinig niyo ba yung tugtugan ko? Narinig niyo ba yung desktop audio ko? Or lakasan ko ba? Hindi niyo naririnig. Lakasan ko. Pero baka di niyo na ako marinig. Di niyo na ako rinig. Di niyo marinig. Ba't naman ganun? Totoo ba? Kanina narinig siya eh. Ayun, narinig niyo naman pala eh. Yun yung mga tugtugan ko kanina pa. So, yun. So, send lang kayo dyan ng mga kumulab and mga questions habang ako nandito naghihirap. Nag-assignment, nag-midterms. Sakto lang ba? Or kung may gusto kayong pahinaan, let me know. I can't hear it kasi through here. I can't hear it. Pala bumili na ako ng ganun. Wow, ang yaman. Wala pa akong new Sims 4. Tagal ko na hindi nagsisims, guys. Tagal ko na nga rin hindi naglalaro. Like, may bago na palang agent sa Valorant. Like, kahapon ko lang nalaman. So, I don't know. Kailan ka magsisims? I don't know. Tapusin ko muna tong midterms ko. Actually, may midterms pa this week. So, hindi pa tapos ang paghihirap. Thank you, TC Beans, sa health karaoke. Ano ba yung stickers dun sa gas? 100 Joy ba? Ano yun? I don't know. May klase ba kayo tomorrow? Online classes lang po kami the whole week. Thank you, Potato Marlon, sa Super 50 Joy. 1 to 3 and 4. Inside of me, I'm not crazy, I'm just living where I know. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I realized how humans Excuse me, Garfield, I'm typing. So yun, wala po kaming face-to-face this whole week. Yeah, but still, that doesn't mean natitigil yung mundo ko. Self-centered. I realize how humans can be so self-centered. Yun yung tanong kasi. Ano yung Matchbox 20? So, ayun. May tanong kasi dito sa exam ko. How does this theory manifest itself in your personal relations with others? So, theory of realism. So, sabi ko, lately I have realized how I should start prioritizing myself first before others. Through my experiences, I realize how humans could be so self-centered and do everything to gain power for their personal gain, to earn power, to grab power for their personal gain. Bugs, may kilala ba kayong ganyan? Charot. Ano lang to, guys, for the essay lang. Content lang. For the essay lang. Content only. Slay. Slay. Ang ganda nitong playlist na to. Naharap ko lang siya sa YouTube. Tapos inuulit-ulit ko na siya. Kanina pa ako nagkatrabaho dito. Thanks, Potato Marlon. Diba? Ganto na ba yung mga tugtugan nyo, guys? Share with me the secrets that you kept in, because it's cold inside. It's cold inside. And your slow shaking fingertips show that you're scared like me, so let's pretend we're alone. And I know you may be scared, and I know we're unprepared, but I don't care. Jamie, aside sa stories mo na puro pagkain, bakit na ma-manage mo pa rin school and MNL48? First of all, puro pagkain yung sinastory ko kasi pagkain na lang po yung nagpapaligaya sa akin sa mga po. Charot! Pero hindi, like, let's be real naman, diba? Like, I don't wanna sound like, pessimistic. I mean, naman sa pessimistic, pero like, diba, parang emo. Hindi, parang in life, what's there to look forward to? Diba? Kung hindi being with family, friends, trying new food, diba? Because like, food is an art. Art! Hindi kasi, ang sarap kaya kumain. Like, I'm in this era of myself na I won't feel guilty for eating. I mean, I still do sometimes, admittedly, but not as much as before. I'm like slowly growing out of that um state of mine, and I hope na ma-outgrow ko talaga siya. Yeah. So I don't really wanna touch up that topic because like it's very sensitive and maraming triggers sa topic na yan. So, but if you want me to talk about it, maybe soon, someday. But yeah, that's like just my like reasoning as to why I enjoy trying new food. Cause like, what's there to get excited about in life, diba? Every day you have to eat, so why not make it fun, diba? Like, diba? Hirap na nga mabuhay, papahirapan pa sarili mo. So, just enjoy your food and look forward to every day. Like, uy, ano kayang kakainin ko bukas? Like, kahit simpleng ulam like sinigang or what? Ano bang, diba? Kahit di naman sinabing mag-steak ka everyday, diba? Diba? Parang, for me, that's like my, na I will enjoy what, I enjoy my food. And, yun. Doon naman second question, paano ko nababalance ang school and MNL 48? I don't know. I don't know. Cause like, I feel like, setting my priorities siguro is really, really helpful. Like, time management lang talaga. I mean, yeah, and energy preservation. Don't waste your energy on things that you don't need in your life. Boogs! On things and people you don't need in your life. Don't waste your energy on that. And dun talaga, mas marami kang ma-accomplish for yourself. 'Di ba? Enough sa mga bagay na para sa mga ibang tao. Unahin mo na sarili mo. 'Di ba? I guess we never really moved on. Hear your voice saying my name, that's so sweet. Wow, may pa ganun. Napapaghalataan ng edad. Eme. Yeah, it's hard. Pero it's fun. I'm enjoying school. I love school. Cause like, parang school gives me a sense of achievement and something to look forward to in life. Because for me, that's the purpose of living. Aside from being of help to others, aside from sharing moments with others, the purpose of life is to always have something to look forward to. And, diba, I don't mean like, everyday gumastos ka ng malaki. Like, have something to look forward to. Like, excited ako sa lesson ko today. Excited ako pumasok kasi, may bago kaming lesson. Like that. Parang, I really realized na to parang really go with the small things in life. Anong Lips of an Angel? Anong year to release? 2005? Oh my God! Di ba ako pinapanganak? Guess we never really moved on. Your voice saying my name, that sounds so sweet, coming from the lips of an angel, hearing those words that makes me weak. 3 pa lang ako niyan, we. Ako 4 years old. Uy! Hoggard na ako, Hoggard. H-U-G-G. Hoggard. Pangkabit? Uy, anong pangkabit? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Ay, pangkabit ba to? Hala! Wala! Kinakanta ko lang. Honey, why you calling me so late? It's kinda hard to talk right now. Ay! Oo nga! Oh, feel na feel ko pa. Feel na feel pa eh. Sensya na guys Wag po tayo maging kabit. kasi di ba nung nirelease to, parang kinder pa lang ako. So, hindi ko alam, pangkabit pala yun. Oopsie. Sensya na po sa mga tinamaan. Charot! Ang ganda pa naman ng very vibes. Biglang, ay, oo nga, no? Sensya na sa mga kabit dyan. Okay lang yan. Keep slaying. Keep slaying! Diba? Can't relate, we. Hoy! Anong ka? Diba? So, yun. Paano ko namamanage yung school tsaka MNL? Wala. Wala talaga. Like, hindi ko alam, B. Hindi ko alam. Like, slay lang talaga. And enjoy, it really helps rin kasi na-enjoy ko siya. I don't see it as a chore. Like, I don't see school as, oh my God, papasok na naman ako. I don't see it that way. So, parang, excited ako lagi. So, like, you know, the theory of realism perfectly describes this. States are pessimistic and self-centered in the pursuit of power. Emo days ko pa to, ah. So, naging emo kayo, guys, dati. Oh my God, gusto ko makita yung pictures nyo ng emo days nyo. I've got your picture in my wallet and your phone number to call it. And I miss you more whenever I think about you. Wow. Pagka to alam, Charo. 2006 to ni-release, ha, guys. Kinder lang ako niya. Ay, kinder ba? Oo, kinder lang ako niyan. Kinder lang ako niyan. O, diba? Hindi pa ako marunong mag 1+1. Charot. Hindi ka sure, Eme. Grade 3 pa ako niyan. Oh my God, grade 3. Charot. Sige, Edge, push mo yan. Charot. Jumping up and down, she's the only one around, and she needs every little thing to me. I've got your picture in my wallet and your phone number to call it, and I miss you more. The competitive nature of humans and their tendency to do anything to gain power over someone else. Whoa! Oh my God! Pick niya sa wallet si Jamin. Uy, secret lang kasi. Thank you, Patita Marlene. Hindi kasi, na-explain din dito yung theory of realism in international relations in a sense na ma-apply mo in real life. O, diba? Justice. Oh! Ano yung napindot ko? Uy, 3 times 10, grabe! Uy, inaway ko, charot. I've got you mixed. Hello? Ayun, nagka-problema yung OBS. Pero kebs na ngayon. Gusto ko... Ito. Ito, ano naman tong song na to? Anong year ni release? Asa na ba tayo? Here Without You. Here without you, baby. But you're still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby. And I dream about you all the time. 2000, ano ba to? 3? Ay, hindi pa ako buhay niyan! Charot! Hindi pa ako buhay niyan. Wow, grabe naman yung Carlito Spike. Uy, congrats pala sa Lasal. Nanalo kami sa volleyball. What a slay! Sige, te, sabi mo eh. We, I realize. Ito yung mga pinapatugtog sa school bus pag gumagano. O, diba, school bus? Kasi, ano eh, student lang ako niyan. Kinder lang ako niyan, guys. Manonood ka ba versus NU? I want, but may time ba ako? Kailan ba yan? Ang layo kasi ng MOA eh. I wanna watch volleyball. Like, yan yung pinaka-dream ko. Like, dati pa man. Hindi pa ako student sa Lasal. I realized that many people are only there when you are only there because they have something to gain from you. Oh! Sino kaya yan? Charot. To gain from you. Charot. Uy, sinong tumatawag sa akin? Ano na naman to? Number na hindi ko kilala. Saglit lang ah. Okay, I'm back. Wala, parang may binibenta lang. Like, why are you calling me at 8 p.m. on a Sunday? Ma'am, please, don't do that. I thought it was something important, kaya sinagot ko. Because like, who would call me at 8 p.m. on a Sunday? Okay, anyway. Move on. Queen of only 18, she had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've had you. Diba? Like, yung mga, ewan ko, like, you could text me if it's something, diba? Like, may binibenta lang kasi siya sa akin. Eh. Parang seller siya. On a corner in the pouring rain, look for the girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while. She will be loved. She will be loved. Wala akong masabi dito, B. Diba? Curry kong si Crush. Uy, Jamin! Wow! Mahal po ang international call. Realists, pessimistic humans are self-interested and competitive. Yun. Imagine na, huy! Bibili po ako kahit di po ako gumagamit. Okay, next na, liberalism. So, how can I apply liberalism in my daily life? Daily life! Ano ba yung tanong? How does this theory manifest itself in your personal relation with others? Gusto ko manood ng concert ng Maroon 5. Feeling ko sobrang slay. Make you feel beautiful. Five members ba ang Maroon 5? 48 ba ang MNL48? Sagutin mo ako! Charot. I can manifest a theory of liberalism in my life. In my personal relations pala. Personal relations with others. Paano nga ba? Hindi ko alam, sir. Pag may kaaway ka, tapos hindi mo sasapakin, kakausapin mo lang. Para magkabati kayo. Ganon. Okay, so kapag realism, pag may kaaway ka, sapakin mo. Pag liberalism, pag may kaaway ka, kausapin mo. Kapag constructivism, i-gaslight mo. Char! Na, wag na kayo tayo mag-away. Ganon! Di ba? Para, natatandaan ko pag mag-exam na kami ng di ba? Ganon. Kasi kanina, hirap na hirap ako tandaan yung, i-grasp yung theory of constructivism. Kasi medyo parehas siya sa liberalism. Like, may similarity sila. So, sabi ko, okay. So, ganito. Pag may kaaway ka, di ba? Tapos liberalism ka, magtulungan kayo and mag-usap lang kayo. Batiin na, ganon. Tapos, pag constructivism, mag-agree kayo na hindi na kayo mag-aaway. Oo, pag i-gaslight mo, parang, what if, wag na tayo mag-aaway? What if, wala tayong kasalanan sa isa't isa? What if nagawa lang natin yun dahil galit tayo? Ganon, diba? I love my school. I can manifest a theory of liberalism in my personal relations with others. And I love my prof. He's so cool. She's a slay. Whenever I have a with someone. Di pa tatay, next song, next song. Naalala ko yung kanta na yun, parang sa commercial siya. Ay, ito. Wow, anong game? Wala. Parang kinakanta ko pa to dati sa ano eh. Alam mo yung mga karaoke sa iPad, mga ganun. Sana all you can. Seryoso na nga, sagot na nga talaga ako, guys. Highest. Jabberwockies. Uy, grabe. Ilang taon na yun, B? Sinasayaw namin pag Christmas party. Hindi ba yung Teach Me How to Doggy o kaya yung ano, yung... Ay, hindi. Bago na pala yun. Yung ano, yung... It's the remix to Ignition. Haven't... Tsaka ano ba yung mga sayaw pag Christmas party? Yung mga ano... Yung mga... Ano ba? Yung mga ganun. Age reveal. Uy, age reveal daw kayo, guys.
In your eyes, the color that wonderful stop me, steal my breath, and emeralds from my
Ayan, mga nakaka-relate sa mga tugtugan ko. Sino kaya? Ano tawag sa playlist? Ganda, di ba? 90s alternative rock. Sa ano? Sa YouTube. Hindi naman to 90s ba tong mga kanta na to? Okay, next, constructivism. Paano ko maa-apply yung constructivism sa buhay ko? Igagaslight ko po kayong lahat. Charot! Huwag po tayo maging gaslighter. Bad po yan.
as we lie awake in my bed. And you're my survival, you're my living proof. My love is alive and not dead. And tell me that we belong together.
Hala, naglalag ba ako?
With the trappings I'll hang from you.
Hello? 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 Ba't naman ganun? Okay, anyway. So, asa na ba ako? Constructivism. Nag-iisip ako. Wala akong maisip. Hello guys, ano pa ba kayo? Hello, andyan pa ba kayo guys? Hindi ko nakikita yung comments nyo. Nagko-comment ba kayo? Wait lang, check ko sa Kumu. Hindi ko nakikita yung mga bagong comments. Ano ba mag-search dito? Ayan, nababasa ko yung message, yung comment. Andito pa ba tayo? Pero naka-PC ako, pero hindi ko nakikita sa phone ko. Pero nababasa ko sa PC. Enter the stream. Ayan, nakikita ko sa PC, pero hindi ko nakikita sa app. Oh, hindi ko nakikita yung comments niya sa app. Pero kita ko sa PC. So, no worries, guys. Ano nangyari? Hindi ko rin alam. Nag-disconnect yung OBS. Tapos, like, pati yung Kumu, nag-lag din siya. So, like, sabi ni Kumu, stop. Baka na akla, sabi niya. Stop na. Hello. Hi, Potato Marlon. Hi, Allen. Hi, Luck Robster. Diba? Sabi ni Kumu at ni OBS, gumawa ka na dyan. Huwag ka na dumaldal. Communication to find common goals and rinig niyo pa din ba yung music ko? Good. Umiiyak na nga ako. I'm not playing, guys. Sorry. Haba naman ang sinusulat ko dito, B. Yeah. Ay! Omo. Actually, hindi siya essay. Para siyang may table. Tas, bawat table may tanong. Ay, bawat cell may tanong. Mas madali ito ko sa calculus. Ano ba ito ma-apply sa buhay ko? Ano yan? Realism ako eh. Charot. Ayokong makipag-usap. Gusto ko away agad. Charot. Joke lang. Paano ko ba ito ma-apply sa buhay ko? Wait, nag-iisip ako, guys. Alam ko na. Pwede ba sumali sa 2 campaign ng sabay? Pwede naman. Alam ko. Tama ba? Parang a nice way is to join organizations na to support sa goals ko. Parang ganun. Bahala na nga. Hello, hi. Tama, Teslay. Pag malito, iksisiin kita, Allen, ha? Charot. MS. Hello. Parang mali. Feeling ko mali. Wait lang.
Tonight I've fallen and I can't get up. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up. And every night I miss you, I can just look up and know the stars are holding you, holding you, holding you tonight.
Alam ko na. Hindi ko na alam, B. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up.
And every night I miss you, I can just look up and
Ay, sana pwede ko yung isagot B sa exam. Charot.
holding you, holding you, holding you tonight.
Thank you po, Tito Marlon. Yun na naman siya, guys. Hindi ko siya... Kayo na lang mag-ano, kasi hindi ko nga nakikita yung comments sa phone ko eh. For example.
Hands to come and pick me up. And every night I miss you, I can just look up and know the stars are holding you, holding you, holding you tonight.
Uy!
Best thing about tonight's that we're not fighting. Could it be that we have been this way before? I know you don't think that I am trying. I know you're wearing thin down to the core. But hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. You're impossible to find. This is not what I intended. I always swore to you I'd never fall apart.
Sana tama tong sinusulat ko dito, ah.
You always thought that I was stronger. I may have failed, but I have loved you from the start. Oh, but hold your breath, because tonight will be
the night that I will fall for you over again.
Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, or I will live to see
Na-stuck na ako sa number na to.
I swear it's true. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again.
Ayun, group mentality. Tama. Correct. Where's my cursor?
Impossible to find.
Uy, ba't naman?
I can't stand to fly. I'm not dead.
Okay na yan, B. 9 o'clock na eh.
I'm just out to find the better part of me. I'm more than a bird. I'm more
Okay, next.
more than some
Ang dami pa. Does this theory have a place? Uy, maya-maya guys ha. In 5 minutes mag-end na ako ng live. Hanggang 11:59 pa naman to. Pero kailangan ko na mag-fur kiss. Oo nga eh. 30 minutes naging 1 hour. Grabe. Ang daldal nyo kasi. Charot. Does this theory have a place in a highly globalized world? Or do you believe it will soon fall into disuse? Realism. Pwede mo na i-end. Sige, bye. Charot! Ano, 4 minutes. Tapusin ko lang yung 1 hour. I mean, kahit di naman kailangan 1 hour, pero wala lang. Gusto ko lang... Hoy! Sige na nga! May point din kayo. Okay, guys. Bye na! Hindi ko nga makick kasi naka-PC ako. Parang hindi tayo account ko sa phone ko. Tawa siya, Sige na nga, bye na, guys.
I can't stand to fly.
Love it. Uy, grabe na mga 100k pala tayo. Thank you po sa 100k. Thank you po kay Potato Marlon, ating top sender for tonight. And of course, kay Edge, top 2. And Joe na top 3. Thank you. Bakit? Magda-take out ba tayo? Charot. Bye guys. Ingat kayo. And good night to. Tapusin ko lang to. Bye-bye.